Kidak kishin jong kajing Pyni Kam san mana shwa ban ke election MLA kila sang ban pau keleng kijaka jong ke jela Meghalaya khamtam mala pentri kam penya de ki parti ke bidan hake bo sarkar ya kanila sakhi habar pli ya ka maurang kanang si da umati yang ba ke jela ukanda sangma kai ke bala sakhi na kanina ka jeng Pyni bola ni ke jeng Pyni Kam de sang MPP ka long ba kani ke jeng pli ya kani ka si na dalang ru umti rang ba sembut bodi UML juga NPP ba person tensong uwe pat UML juga NPP belong ru umti juga ka kakhia James ke sangma UML juga anong ston bodi UML juga NPP ba makmelan bersat ba kumjuru UML juga NPP ne ba marung kreng uba penyai singsi kini gede ka caka sumar ka baki pai ba kaslam kila angnut makan tiu caka kadan ka bakham yang ka caka sumar akani ka cikpi ya kani ka caka sumar ukon sangma ula peliru ya ka mela jong ki sebab group tengkat baki wide ki program ki bala pelong hapreng ka jing phu ka jing phiyeng ba ka jing sosiet hakani kasni
ladangi poi biang hakabor how te war pula nginang penklan susu ya ki skim ki badai ba ki lokme ba ki kenthe balai bangsa realize ke soto ke kata nama kadi ku shai skim klebe nya ikam lo ni ong togin ai no ka skim lamba ki lokme nama kum ma ong ye ai pisa sanspa tingka mangarok pa ye kini si bos ni ru ite sanspa idang ne khop ai how kon serang gedi sanspa tingka siteng kata lalu siteng kata dengan ai kane ka sistem jumi kami ong kamakli dinial sistem nakrai ka bakham kerpa ka boble la perku kerpa ya kejela jumi beroi bamat ya ong kupno pihak kan wono kum serang diri long kupno pi babreu kan wono hari long kami sudah bikop kena le kata ikut nak samar tar supoi lok lajong tani ku gai cuma nak le ya bi betul bawai ya to ki mo matuli lenya ya ak he asurok mengi kirang ba tabakoi hayeng ko kami bai dai nak kada mo ongi ya kanika skim ka bakirpang dan bedaki lokme nginang penklan susu.
It's not about the money alone, but it is the institution and the network that we have created. And today we are talking to many corporate social responsibility programs, and I'm explaining to them how the self-help groups are working and how government has now pumped in 379 crores. But tomorrow, if any other corporate wants to come in and do programs, then we have a ready-made system to work towards it. I'm also happy to inform you that very, very soon, we will also be having an app for self-help groups. This app will be there on your mobile phones. And through this app, all the 42,000 groups that have been formed, all the 4.5 lakh women that are in self-help groups will all be connected. You will be able to talk to each other. You will be able to share your experiences with each other. You will be able to form different groups and organizations and make different platforms and connect with each other. As a government, we will be able to pass on information to all of you with a click of a button through this powerful app that we will create. So this is something that we will be doing very soon, and once this is complete, it will be most probably one of the biggest and the most powerful tools that this government will have to reach out to every single rural household in the state.